Hey guys, sijui ni nini linidanganya, nikamwaga maji ya rangi kwa choo and my toilet got stained so bad. So in today's video, I'm going to try to thorough clean the toilet, yote tu kabisa, and also just try to remove all the stains and remove water stains that have accumulated over time. So I'm using scoring powder. I also have bleach, I have rust off, and I have regular toilet cleaner. So this it's called Odex Rust Off. It kind of removes the rust stains, the ones like water stains. It removes so well. So guys, hiyo sio uchafu, hiyo ni maji ya mchanga. Yes, I had wiped the house nikaimwaga hapo, and that's why it looks like that. So after you put on the rust off, you let it in for a while, and then you go in with the pumice stone. Sasa pumice stone ni ile mawe ya kusugua mguu. So I'm gonna scrub the toilet literally with this stone until I can get most of that paint off. And the reason why I'm using a stone is because even the steel wool or the scrubber that I have, it is not strong enough to scrub off that paint. Ni kama it was incorporated into the ceramic wall of the toilet. So I'm gonna do this, and then I'll put a second layer of rust off on, and then I will leave it to soak for a while. And then after it has soaked, I'll then come again and scrub. So the reason I'm wearing gloves, ni rust off, it is acidic. So it will literally like eat at your hands if you are using bare hands. So it's advisable for you to use these gloves, or if you have the long ones, the better, but these ones worked just fine. But I had to keep on changing them because obviously they keep on tearing. And then this regular toilet washing soap, I bought the chemicals and I made it, and so far so good. So guys, what you should never do is use rust off with jik at the same time. The fumes will literally choke you. So you have to use the rust off kivyake, and then after you finish, then you use the jik or bleach on its own. So I hope that you enjoy this cleaning video, and let's see how this toilet comes out after several washes. And if you have any other solution or any other easier recommendation on how you clean your toilets, then let me know in the comment section below. All the chemicals up in my brain, all of a sudden I don't look at anything the same way. Gotta build up of my thoughts sitting in an ashtray. I'm sorry that I'm so inconvenient, okay. Just let me be me and I'll stay out of your way. I can see the way you look at me, I'm such a disgrace. I never really asked to be brought into this place. You wanna love me? Well then baby have a taste. All the highs and the lows, no you'll never be the same. I don't really wanna hurt you but I can't control the pain. If you're sticking by my side, maybe we could be okay. Okay, maybe you could be the change I need today. I promise that I've never felt this way. I really hope that you will choose to stay through all the pain. I know you told your friend you're not okay, and tell me what's wrong and why you never said. Guys, I am officially ashamed, because why is this thing so dirty? Why is it like this? Why is it like this? So anyway, I removed this to wash it inside the cistern, because 90% of us we never open that thing to look inside, and this one is a plastic one. Kumbe inside it had accumulated dirt over time. I think I washed it long time ago, and I have just been neglecting it. So part of the reason why you have stains or stain marks in your toilet is because your cistern is dirty and it needs to be washed. Sasa mimi msichana, I opened it and I was literally ashamed because that thing was so dirty. So I washed it, and I rinsed it a couple of times, and so now I'm going to just wash the floors. But this is your side. If you have never opened that thing, ebu open and wash it. Maybe that's the reason why your toilet is so it has those watermarks on it. So let's scrub the floor, and once we finish, then we'll wipe up everything, and yeah, have now a clean toilet.
Strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray as you fade away. As you fade away. As you fade away. Tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. And guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray.
What does it mean to be happy? Cause it looks like we all don't know. Glass half full or empty. Man, we just putting on a show. Try to look to the heavens to tell us things that we beg to know. Like what did this all mean? There's no tomorrow. Oh, you know I try to find a purpose in my life to drive me.
So in this second part of the video, I'm going to try and change my curtain, or at least the look of the curtain. So I bought this rod at 750. It's a double rod 2 meters from Misli, and I'm going to try and fix it in my curtain box. In case it doesn't work out, then I'll have to remove the curtain box, because it limits me on the curtains that I am to put there, because they keep on falling off or sagging, and I really don't like it. So I'm removing these hooks because I won't need them. I'm not going to use them because I don't know, just because of that curtain box thingy, I'm not going to use them. So at first I tried to open this holder so that I can have it shorter. You see that space, it doesn't fit that thing, it's too long. So I tried to open so that I can fit it there, and I did some few adjustments, but it wasn't working. So I went to my local fundi, just these guys who melt iron, ama wanaitwangaje, fundi wa kuchoma chuma. So I went to them, and luckily I got one who was selling those hooks or those curtain things at 100 bob per piece, so that is 200 per meter. So I got these ones that you see me fixing there, and akatoa he custom made to the size that I wanted, and that's what I'm going to use inside the curtain box. So I don't know if I like it, but if I don't like it, then I'll just have to remove it and redo. So these curtains, I was using them before on this window. I'm going to renovate them in some way. I'm going to remove this tape and fix the curtain rings, and now use them now on the window. I don't know if also the curtain rings will work, so let's stick around and see how it turns out to be. Yeah, and I hope you also enjoy the second part of the video. If you're new, karibu sana, and if you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much for always coming back to watch my videos, and God bless you.
the weight all on my back. Colors now faded. There's only so much hoping that I can't do, but I'd rather lose than lose you. Do what you gotta do, what you gotta do to be you again. Do what you gotta do, what you gotta do to put your heart to rest. I'll keep waiting as long.
Finally, this is what we have. This is what we have after fixing the curtains, and I love the outcome. I hope that you like it too. God bless you so much, and see you in my next video. Bye.